OPPO AX7, and let me show you how to activate Night Shield on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down, find and select Display and Brightness, and here select Night Shield, the very last icon. And you can either activate it now, this mode will reduce the blue light, and also it will enable warmer colors, so just tap on Enable Now. And you can select the display effect. You can display it in color or display in black and white, or comfortable nighttime reading, so it will be black with white letters. So I will go back to display in color, and you can also personalize the temperature, so you can pick a cooler or warmer. You can also schedule Night Shield, so just turn off here and now select scheduled time. So let's pick, for example, start hour. It can be 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. next day. And that's it. On 7 p.m. This mode will be activated, and then 7 a.m. next day it will be turned off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.